What's up, guys? It's Gary with Fresh from the Farm Fungi here in Denver, Colorado, and I'm going to be taking a road trip down with my brother today to Moffat, Colorado. So we've got a bunch of King Stropharia spawn loaded up in our car, and I'm going to go down and meet our friends Tyler and Danielle who live off-grid. So stay tuned. We've got a cool project planned for the weekend and some really scenic views that I love being here in Colorado because it's just a couple hour drive away. What's up, guys? I just got down to Tyler's property here and we brought a bunch of some mushroom spawn. So we're gonna be spawning up this bed with some King Stropharia. I don't know if you want to talk a little bit about your life out here, but it's so beautiful, and we just did like a whole tour of the land.
Yeah, so this is our off-grid oasis here. Danielle's inside whipping up something good as always. Just have a couple of random projects going out here, so it probably looks a little crazy, but just really excited to be out here in the San Luis Valley. We got the Sangre de Cristo range right there. You can see the sand dunes from our place on a nice clear day. It's a little cloudy today, but then we have the Sawatch range over here and San Juan's. I think it's just like such a beautiful place to be. I'm just so happy to be here, and thank you so much for bringing the spawn down. I'm so excited to experiment with this, and yeah, I couldn't be more hyped. There's a chocolate mushroom going in there.
Alright guys, so we're just going to be layering some sawdust, some local sawdust here as a base layer, and then we're going to spawn and then lay more sawdust, so like a lasagna style. A little more.
Yeah, let's do maybe